Hey Sven, what's up?
Hey Pranil, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm doing good.
I wondered whether you want to cook today.
Today?
Yes.
Yes. That sounds like a good idea. Let's cook today.
I mean, if you're still free, obviously.
Yes, of course, the exams have been keeping me busy, but I think, yeah, I'm down to cook today. So.
Same here, but I'm pretty hungry today, so.
Oh, okay. So I will be there right away.
Guten Appetit.
Guten Appetit.
Enjoy.
You too.
Thank you.
What are you having?
It's called Kartoffelsalat.
Mm-hmm.
You know what it is?
No, but I know my German says it's something with potato salad?
Perfect.
Okay.
Pretty much. I can also show you later if you want.
Okay.
What are you eating?
It's North Indian curry with rice.
Oh, not Indian curry. That sounds good.
Yeah, it's a chickpea curry.
Perfect.
Yeah, it's a very traditional dish.
Sounds
How
really
about
good.
you?
Smells really good too.
Yeah.
Yeah, also mine is really traditional in southern Germany though.
Nice.
What are you drinking?
Oh, this is buttermilk. We usually have buttermilk with it. How about you drink water with it?
Sure. I always like to drink water.
Because we don't really drink water with any of our meals.
Ah, okay, that's too bad. Yeah, usually in Germany you also drink something else with it. Let me just quickly grab it.
Okay.
How is it?
Is it a dessert?
No, actually it's the main dish.
Ah, okay. I don't think. Can I grab some chili flakes real quick? Because
Oh, it's not spicy enough?
no, but I don't feel the taste so much.
Ah, okay.
But it really tastes good. It's a very
Thank you.
sweet dish. But I just want to try something. Now it's better.
That you had some of mine, could I also try some of yours?
Ah, yeah, sure. Go for it.
Alright, thank you very much.
Do you like it?
It's not spicy at all. I really like it.
I tried to make it as less spicy as possible.
Okay, yeah, no worry, it's really nice.
Yeah, but I hope you find the taste pretty good.
For sure, no, the taste is really good though. Just a little spicy though.
Okay. Yeah. I know that people here don't eat too much spicy food, so yeah. So how did you like the food?
It was really good actually.
Uh-huh.
Not as spicy as I thought, by the way.
Oh, okay. I'm happy you like the food.
Yeah. How did you like mine?
It was also good. I realized a bit later that it's meant to be a dish which is pretty not spicy or not sweet either. But I like the combination.
Exactly, yeah, the
Yeah.
combination is great. We should do that more often though.
Yeah, we should actually try more often.
Yeah, I think lockdown is a good opportunity for this since we're kind of locked in together now.
Yeah, I think I have a lot of dishes that I can cook, so I...
Really nice. There are also a lot of German vegetarian dishes I want to show you.
Yeah, that's perfect. So